Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Bonk. Wanted to do a bit of an update, and if you're new to the channel, by the way, welcome to the channel. Wanted to do a bit of an update. I think a lot of people are still trading these bigger meme coins. So then I'm talking about WIF, Pepe, Bonk, Doge. And I also do think, and we'll talk about that in this video. I actually do think that, and for that I'll zoom out a bit. The level we're nearing, all right, so the level we're kind of falling down to at this moment is an interesting level, all right. So then I'm talking about this level between 2000 and I would say 2150 to the upside. I think that's an interesting level because it's a strong high time frame support level, and we've fallen down so much in the last week. At some point of time, you're going to find some nice support, all right. So I wanted to talk about that. We're down 27%. Since this high we made Saturday last week. So Bonk is not doing great, but like I said, some short-term recovery is a possibility. But before we talk about the technicals, which I am sure most of you are interested in, we need to talk about the fundamentals too, all right? Because the fundamentals, whether you like to talk about them or not, are very important, all right? And they matter a lot when we're talking about the what to expect from Bonk, and where to set your expectations. First of all, market short-term bearish. A lot of recession fears in the global economy. Who knows if it's going to be true, right? I mean, it could also reverse next week. It's a possibility, but for now it looks bad. And therefore, for now, if we're looking at the markets, if we're looking at Bitcoin, we have to be relatively bearish as well. And then what matters a lot for Bonk as well, if you remember correctly from the last couple of weeks, Bonk is very bullish when Solana is also bullish. And Solana has, like for Bitcoin, you can still say it's consolidating, whatever. Solana, I do think, has turned bearish here, all right? We got a significant bearish breakout, so fundamentally it's not looking great for Bonk. I don't think fundamentally Bonk can get into an uptrend. Technically, it would also need to get a breakout of about like 20%, which is hard to do, all right? You need strong market circumstances for that, and like I just told you, we don't have those. So unfortunately, I am bearish on Bonk right now, all right? I have to be, all right? When you sum up, when you summarize all those factors we just talked about, you have to be bearish on Bonk. Now, having said that, I do think after falling down so much, I do think we can see a bounce from this level right here. And then for me, my focus is mostly on 2000. That is, historically, that's been a strong support level. Like almost every time we hit that level in the last like 6 months, we have seen a bounce. All right, so here you can see we bounced the 19th of March, did not bounce here, did not well, I mean, let's see it as support. As support, we bounced here, did not bounce here, bounced here, bounced here, bounced here, bounced here, bounced here, bounced here. So we bounced. All right, that's it. So that's why that level, like at this point of time, on the very short term, and it's also the weekend, so it's not fair to say this, but there's no momentum. Usually there's no momentum in the weekend, so that's why it doesn't really matter. But there's no momentum, so I don't see any reason in combination with the fundamentals why we should like get a decent bounce here, even though we're also at support. But given the market circumstances, I do think it's likely we're dropping down into 2000. And unless we see a massive crash in the markets, which is a possibility, so I would not set a limit order at 2000, but I would set a price alert there. And if we do see some sort of a bounce and the market is not absolutely crashing, I will buy from there. All right, so I think that's the level to watch. This is what I expect in general, what you see on the chart right now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.